crew, so welcome back to the channel. So this week we're back in the garage, guys. I'm trying to finish up on the bed of the truck of the 55. If you guys have been following me, you guys know that I have been working non-stop with the 55 pickup truck, the shop truck, you know, that's what we're calling it. We just got through doing the bed, and we also put the tailgate on there, and we also put the Smoky Road hidden tailgate latches. All right, so let me show you guys what we just got through doing here last week. And the bed turned out immaculate. We also did the hidden door latches here. I never did show you guys the finished product with the bed and the latches on the truck here with the tailgate. Of course, you guys saw my previous videos, me painting it with the two-tone. Turned out really good. I also got a filler net cap and I guess a gas door. I went on ahead and notched that in the wood. That's where I put my gas. I thought that was pretty neat. I actually put that one on my 62 as well, and it turned out really nice. So I'm really happy with this floor here. So the next thing that I'm working on here in the garage, we're doing my templates here. I have to do for my wheel wells here, and as you see, I got already cut out my templates here. So for my wheel tubs, and this is just going to be a quick, you know, DIY video of how you guys can do your tubs, build them yourself. Nothing immaculate. Like I said, I'm just doing a little busy work in the garage, and we're going to go ahead and make us some little mini tubs. As you see, I got it notched over here in the corner with the bed. Here, I got that there. And see. So we're going to go ahead and finish with the little mini tubs, and I'll show you guys how I do mine. So you see I got my strips here. These are only like 2.5 inch strips. I really don't need big tubs and everything. And first we're gonna go ahead and form this, and I'm gonna tack it all the way around. Okay, so like I said, what I do is I normally just put tacks around here, and then we're gonna go ahead and test fit it on the truck. So I'll come back and I will actually weld it up on the inside. All right, let's go ahead and see how it fits. Alright, like that. Alright, let's go ahead and wet up the inside. This is both of them roughed in. Now I'll go ahead and do the body work, grind everything down. We'll go ahead and put them in primer. Alright guys, so it's the next day and we are finishing up the tubs, the little mini tubs that we actually made for the truck, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and spray them. I already got these in primer, I already wet sanding them down, and these are the pieces that go around the edges of the bed. As you see, I got everything covered up, so we're ready to go ahead and put these in color and put some clear coat on them. But the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and put some sealer on everything, so this will cover really good. I'm going to go ahead and use black sealer, and then of course we're going to put the blue in there. Let's get to it. Alright, so that's 2 coats. We're going to put one more coat on it. Then we'll go ahead and put some clear. Turned out pretty good. Let's go ahead and put one more coat. Alright, we're going to put down 2 coats of clear. Good heavy coat. Last coat. right, so that's 2 good wet heavy coats of the inner tubs, and got a little bit of trash in it, you know, right there. But you know, if I wanted to, I could buff them out. You guys know the routine, but I probably won't. They're just a you know, for the tubs. Everything turned out good. So this took us 2 days non-stop, man, grinding in the garage, guys. So I want to thank you for hanging out. Hopefully this video wasn't too long, but hopefully you guys learn how you can make your own tubs in your garage with some 18 gauge metal. Very simple. I think they're gonna turn out good. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like and share as well, guys. So like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, you know what to do. Smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.